So students, we are here for one more topic, that is packing efficiency or packing fraction. Packing means something is packed or filled inside the container, inside the box, under certain atmosphere, certain condition. Means something is putting inside. See this glass. In this glass, milk is filled, or we can say this glass is half filled by milk, because and its packing efficiency is more or less 50%. Suppose I am adding some more water, then its filling area is increasing. Now it is 80 or 85% filled now. See, in case of atom or particle, percentage of total space filled by particle. So total space of this glass is filled by milk. It can be considered as 80%, 85%, 90%, or it was earlier it is 50%. Suppose if I will ask you that question, that if atoms are filling inside the glass, inside the container, inside the box, suppose these gravels or stones, small stones are atom, and we have to design the formula that percentage of total space filled by particle. These are particle or atom. Suppose I am putting these stones here. Now see, this is the area which is packed by these atoms. It is not like liquid or gas, it is solid, and solid is filling inside the glass. Or we have, so further we have to calculate how much area of by these atom is filled in this glass or this. So see, this is the particular lattice in which atoms are trapped inside. So kitna area by this atom is covering here, means ये पार्टिकल्स कितना एरिया ऑक्यूपाई करते हैं इन पर्टिकुलर यूनिट सेल, इन पर्टिकुलर लैटिस. सो ऑल फिनोमिनन, ऑल कॉन्सेप्ट इज बेस्ड ऑन सच सिनारियो. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. व्हाट इज पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी? पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी मींस परसेंटेज ऑफ टोटल स्पेस फिल्ड बाय पार्टिकल. कितना स्पेस इस स्टोन के द्वारा इस ग्लास में filled किया गया है, means the space occupied by stone in this glass. So further, for simple cubic, for BCC or for FCC, we have three kind of unit cell. We are just studying about this: cubic unit cell, BCC, body centered or face centered. So what is packing fraction? Packing fraction means volume occupied by atoms in unit cell. Volume occupied by atoms in unit cell and divide by total volume of unit cell, means total volume of this glass is occupied by some volume of stones. That is packing fraction. means इस glass का कितना portion हम बोलेंगे cover किया है. The number of stones are there, area of stone, volume of stone which is filled inside the glass. Same thing we will do here. So packing fraction equal to Z is number of atom, because atom is sphere, so that volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and total volume of unit cell we already discussed in density, it is a cube. So if we will multiply by 100, then we will get the packing fraction for such so many unit cell like simple cubic, BCC and FCC, because this term is going to change for simple cubic, for BCC or for FCC, and Z is also changed. Z means number of atoms. So first we will start about simple cubic. Simple cubic means A means edge length is that equal to 2 radius. Already I told you in the density or radius between edge length and relation between edge length and radius. Already we are discussed in previous lesson. So for simple cubic, Z equal to 1. Now packing fraction will equal to Z is 1, 4 by 3 pi r cube, and just we will put A equal to a cube. A cube is volume of unit cell now. So A equal to 2r and whole 2r cube. Now when you will gonna solve this, you will get the answer pi by 6 into 100, and further it will be 52%. Means for in simple cubic unit cell, the space occupied by atom or particle is 52%. Means in simple cubic unit cell, fully unit cell is not filled by atom, only 52% area is filled. Means vacant area is kitna? 100 minus 52, it will be 48%. Come to the BCC, body centered unit cell. For BCC, A equal to 4r by root 3. It is radius, relation between radius and edge length. What is this? A equal to 4r by root 3. It is relation between radius and edge length. And for body centered unit cell, Z equal to 2. So packing fraction will be Z into 4 by 3 pi r cube, Z equal to 2, and A cube equal to 4r by root 4r divided by root 3 ka whole cube into 100. So further if we will solve, we will get PF equal to packing fraction equal to under root 3 by 8 multiplied by pi whole multiplied by 100. Here answer will be 68%. You can solve it. No, there is no big deal that I am not getting this and I am not solving this. Just simply divide and multiply, so that further you will get 0.68, and when you will multiply 0.68 by 100, it will be 68%. Means in body centered cubic unit cell, because atom is present inside the body of cube as well as corner of the cube, so that the area filled in body centered cubic unit cell by atom will be greater than simple cubic unit cell. In simple cubic unit cell, कितना area occupy होता है by atom? It is 52%. But in body centered, atoms are not 1, na? It is 2. For BCC, at number of atoms are 2. So that packing fraction means area will be increased, which is occupied by atom. So here, in case of BCC, it is 68%. Now come for FCC. For FCC, Z equal to 4 and A equal to 4r by root 2. Relation between radius and edge length. We already did some numerical problem based on this formula. So just put the value of Z equal to 4, and A cube equal to 4r by root 2 whole cube. Further, if you will solve, you will get pi by 3 root 2 into 100, and answer is 0.74, and 0.74 when multiplied by 100, it will be 74%. Means the highest packed structure in which atoms are present in FCC, it is 74%. Means in simple in face centered cubic unit cell, the area occupied by atom which are present on the corner as well as on each face center of the cube, the area will be 74%. That means we can conclude that in simple cubic unit cell, less area is occupied by atom, but in face centered cubic unit cell, more area occupied by atom. That's why further we design FCC as CCP. CCP means cubic close packing. What is CCP? Cubic close packing. CCP means cubic close packing. That means maximum packing efficiency or maximum packing fraction, for which it is FCC. 74% area is filled in FCC by atom. Vacant area is 26%. So further we will study about, here it is packing fraction, means kitna area covered by atom. In next lesson we'll talk about kitna area, how much area is vacant in certain arrangement, means vacant site. It is known as void. So very important, you have to learn. Just remember this, packing fraction for simple cubic means packing area for simple cubic is 52%. Packing fraction for BCC it is 68%, and for FCC it is 74%. And maximum occupancy, maximum efficiency is FCC, in which it is 74% is occupied by atom which are present on FCC unit cell. So that's it. Thank you very much.